She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today, I'm going to address another question that people ask me now. And major shout out to my boy Black Wing, or Black Lightning ZL11LE. He asked me about my tint. He was curious about it on my car. Right now, I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough, just showing you around it. So if you guys don't know, this is your first time seeing the channel, I have 20% ceramic tint on the side windows, and I have 55% on the front window. And as you can see here, as I'm walking around the car, it's not that bad, it's not that dark. And I know people saying, well, I had 70 and it was dark. And that probably because you have carbon, which is different. And ceramic is kind of like carbon, but it's a little bit different. It blocks the heat out better. But I'm just going to share with you guys like how it looks all the way around the car, how it looks inside the car. So this video is not going to be all like in the same day because I'm catching it like afternoon, been busy with after work. So I'm going to try to break it up into 3 separate videos. So I may have different outfits on, but that's irrelevant. But at least you guys getting the information you need about the tint. So I'm going to share it with you guys. What does this look right here when driving day in and day out? Okay, so we jumping into the car. As you can see, besides seeing me, like, you can really see in there a little bit, but not that much. You can just see a silhouette of like the steering wheel. I don't know how that will portray on the camera, but you can see the steering wheel a little bit from here. When you get into the car, I'm gonna give you guys a visual, like, okay, so this is what 20% look like, ceramic daylight. 20% without tint, so you get a visual. And this is what 50% look like. 50% and then no tint. 50% and no tint. So, and then you can see the difference. If I step back, you can see the difference between the two with 50% on the right side and 20% on the left side, and as you can tell, no tint straight down the middle. So it's not that bad. And then if you're looking at the overcast, you can kind of get a glance between the two. You're really not impacted. No visibility impacted. It's not really dark in here. If I close it, it's really not that bad, you know. It's very clear. So we about to actually get to going. So how I'm seeing it right here is exactly how I'm seeing it on the road. It's not that bad at all. So now we're gonna see how it looks at nighttime. This is like closer to the night. It's like 7:50 right now. This is the windows from the side right now as I'm just driving. This is the front windshield side view. So you can still see out of it with a little bit of sunlight. So we're gonna let it get dark a little bit more, and then you guys can really see how good it is. Okay guys, so now I am just on a main road that I normally cruise time and time after again. And this is what it looks like with 55% tint on the front windshield. Not even bad, like literally. I can't even tell like the tint is really on there. I can see just fine. These are my side windows. Like you can see a car behind me, but it's faint because they're pretty far back. But yeah, it's pretty dark on the sides a little bit, but not that dark to be honest. So I can still see what's going on. But this is the front. Not that bad at all. Like especially like if I'm in a well-lit area, it's not that bad too. So now you can see cars heading toward you. So like some of these, as you can tell, they got bright lights. You can see the difference there. Not even impacting my eyes at all. Sometimes those bright lights, neon lights used to get to me, but not anymore. So this is what it really looks like. So right now I'm about to just pull in into like a regular, I'm at just a regular place where, you know, a plaza, and I'm just about to pull in so you guys can see like what it actually looks like at night.
Hey, bud.
As you can see here, I just had a normal stop. You can still see beside you in a plaza that's well lit from the front to the side. It's not that bad at all. And then at night, I feel like all tint is the same, but I'm gonna show you guys that too. Okay, so this is what it looks like at night. You could barely see in there. I can see the screen up close, but you could barely see. And then on the side here, you can barely see. Like if you're up on the car, you can see a silhouette, but nothing really major. And then on the front, you can kind of see, but you really can't see at all. So that's that. And now I'm on a back road here. It's very bumpy, but on this back road, you can see there's no lights or anything. And I can see perfectly fine with the tint. So if you guys are hesitant on like getting 55, 50%, I feel like this is perfect to go. If you want to get it darker, you can, but obviously that's going to limit your visibility. But I feel like 55 or 50 ceramic tint is perfect. And the only reason I'm bouncing back between 50 and 55 during this video is because the only reason I went 55 is because I have the PDR. If I didn't have PDR, I will obviously go for 50%. But for the most part, I'm good. I'm happy with it. I can see everything, and I haven't had any police issues. I know people probably wondering, like, man, have you had any police issues? During the day, during the night, no police issues whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.